Hey guys, it's Maddie here. Today we're going to go in depth on the acrylic pre-roll gravity display dispenser. These sleek wall dispensers are a great way to not only keep your pre-rolls organized and easily accessible, but also making your pre-rolls more visible to customers, thus increasing your sell-through rate on pre-rolls. The Gravity Pre-Roll Display Dispenser is made from high-quality acrylic and comes fully assembled. All you have to do is hang it on the wall and fill it with pre-rolls. These displays feature an innovative clip that works on both slat walls and grid walls. As more farms join the cannabis industry, dispensary shelves are often loaded with a huge variety of products. And while choices are always nice, consumers may become overwhelmed, causing a phenomenon called analysis paralysis. The indecision of the consumer impacts overall sale volume and may even cost you sales. The Gravity Pre-Roll Dispenser makes your pre-rolls visible at eye level, which helps the consumer focus in on products you're highlighting. Displays like this have been statistically shown to increase your sell-through rates. When a product is out of sight, it's out of mind. The Gravity Dispenser keeps all of your pre-rolls within sight of the consumer and easily accessible to dispensary staff. These wall displays were built to be user-friendly. Simply tilt and slide into place. To reload, just add your pre-rolls horizontally and let gravity do the rest. The Gravity Dispenser comes in two stock sizes. The small dispenser holds 50 pre-rolls and the large holds 100. However, we can custom make these to your exact specifications and can even add custom branding. These pre-roll display dispensers are easy to customize. Customizing with the farm's branding helps differentiate products and makes it easier for a consumer to see what is available. Adding your company's branding will help promote your brand's culture and solidify your brand to customers. For a clean, professional look, we are happy to customize your Gravity Dispenser for you with color custom printing. Alternatively, you can customize your dispenser with stickers, magnets, or laminate cards to keep things more flexible. Compared to a standard pop-up display box, these Gravity Pop display boxes hold more pre-rolls and act as a dispenser, which can help you sell more pre-rolls during checkout. This is a more cost-friendly option than our wall-hanging acrylic pre-roll gravity display dispensers and still provides an organized and professional look to your products. This display box is great for filling counter space and gets your pre-rolls front and center for the consumer, setting your pre-rolls apart from other products hidden behind the counter. To set up the box, you simply fold the top two side tabs before folding the top over and folding the tab into place. On the bottom, take the long middle tab, folding it on itself, and tuck inside the dispenser. Take the two side tabs and fold those over the middle. Take your last standing tab and fold over the top and secure into place. And now you have a fully operational counter dispenser. Once it's folded and filled, it's ready to live happily on the display counter, making your pre-rolls stand out and proud on the dispensary shelves and counters. We stock these display boxes in plain white and black, but they are fully customizable with custom printing, gold foiling, and even die cuts for a more professional look. With these stock displays, you can add stickers to the display for quick and easy in-house branding. No matter how you customize these display boxes, they will provide a new level of ease and organization to elevate your pre-roll display game, all while increasing sell-through rates in dispensaries. Today we showed you two different pre-roll display options, the wall-mounted acrylic pre-roll gravity display dispenser and the cost-efficient paper gravity display boxes. Both of these displays provide professional, fully customizable options to display your pre-rolls in style, all while helping make your pre-rolls more visible to customers at the time of sale, which is shown to increase pre-roll sales. With easy access to your pre-rolls in a display that is visually appealing as it is efficient, your pre-rolls will stand high above the rest. Thanks for watching this deep dive into these displays and how these pre-roll dispensers can help level up your pre-roll game.